Let's check out how to create a table of contents using your own custom styles. Now if I come out here and take a look at my document, I have some custom styles that I put in, just a couple of custom styles. If I come out to my Home tab, and on the right hand side under the Styles group, if I click the little arrow at the bottom of right corner of the group, or you can do an Alt Control Shift S, you could bring up the styles pane, and if I click on this first guy here, I can see that this style is just a custom style called My First, and the second one underneath is just called My Second. If I go to My First and say select all 4 instances, there are 4 places in the document where this occurs, and also under an introduction, which is My Second. If I go to my pane and look at the My Second style, click the drop down arrow, I can choose all 19 instances of this as well. Now that I have these custom styles in place, I can come out here and pick a spot where I want to put this in. I'm just going to click the very top of the second page here, do a Control Enter to pop in a manual page break. And then up here at the top, I'm going to go ahead and under References, I'm going to choose Table of Contents, and then I'll come down here and choose just insert table of contents, and I can see I'm going to get a little dialog because of the 3 dots afterwards. Come out here and I can make some sort of a change if I'd like. Come down here under Options, and instead of using the heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3, I could scroll down this list and make sure that I have my list as number 1 and my second as number 2 for the headings. And from here I'll just go ahead and click OK. If I want to, under Modify, I could select my TOC 1 and modify the font. If I wanted to, I could come out and make it, say, a dark green text, make it bold, and perhaps bump it up a little bit, maybe 16 point and italic, and I'll click OK. And maybe for the Table of Contents level 2, could modify that as well, and I'll go ahead and make that just automatic, and maybe I'll underline the text on it as well, or maybe I'll just italic, and then go ahead and click OK, and I'll click OK again, and when I come out here and click OK, it builds the table of contents based on my custom styles instead of the heading numbered styles.